Hi folks, welcome to 8-Bit Retro Journal. This is a quick clip, 5 minutes or less. We're in the month of September in 2023, and one of my favorite hashtag events is Septandy. It's actually the first hashtag event that I participated in, where basically other YouTubers do videos on the Radio Shack Tandy products in the month of September. I actually don't know how many people are doing at this time around. I feel like the hashtag events have kind of faded a bit, but I still like participating in them because with Septandy, it's one of those occasions where I bring out my Radio Shack gear and get to play with it. And here I have my Pocket Computer one, which was one of the first things I did in a Septandy video, and I replaced the screen. It's no longer the yellow one, but a green one, and it still works, so I'm happy that I have a working Pocket Computer one. And I also have this cassette printer interface for the Pocket Computer one. And what I want to do is I want to revisit the fix that I did on the circuit board in this. So that'll be one of the first videos that I'm going to do, so stay tuned for that. However, more exciting is that I have some new gear. This, can I get it in? Oh, I guess it has to go like that. This is a Radio Shack Color Computer 2, or a Coco 2, and it's actually from my wife's family. So this might have been my wife's first computer that she played with, although she's a little younger than I am. So maybe she was a little too young for this, but she has older siblings, so they probably played with it, and certainly her family played with it. I don't know if it works. I don't know very much about the Color Computer 2, so if you want to give me some advice in the comments, please do. Don't know what to expect, but I'm really excited to have the famous Coco 2 finally be able to play with it. And the fact that it's has a connection to my wife's family is pretty cool as well. And not to be outdone, also from my wife's family, I have, this has the button missing. I've got a paper clip. This is a Tandy 1110 hard disk laptop, an early one. Probably doesn't even have, it has may not even have a backlit display. Don't know if it works. It comes with a battery, which probably doesn't work, but I also have a power adapter. And excited to see this in action, whether I can boot it or not. It looks in pretty good shape, and I assume this was probably her parents' computer that they used for day-to-day stuff. And you have user's guide and then DeskMate, which is sort of the graphical environment. So really excited about that, and I'll be taking this apart if I have to, just to clean it and see if it works. And then last but by no means least, a viewer, I should say, sent me in this package last year, actually, after they saw my TRS-80 Model 3 video. And what this has in it are TRS-DOS version 1.3 and LDOS version 5.31. So this is going to give me the opportunity to finally try to boot my model TRS-80 Model 3 computer using the floppy disk system. So I'm really excited about that as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing for videos in September. And I hope you watch them and give me some feedback. As I said, I tend to do more Sinclair stuff, Spectrum now, CX81, QL. Obviously, I also sort of integrate Amiga stuff because I have an Amiga 600, and I've always liked the Amiga, even if I didn't own one back in the 90s. But, this was the second ever computer that I had, so it's dear to me. But now to have a whole new set of retro gear will be exciting to explore and see how it works. So I hope you join me on that, and I'll see you next time.